Do you ever feel like this while back in your trailer? Come on back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Left. Left. Other left. Other left. Other left. Whoa! Today we're going to install a wireless camera that was graciously supplied to us by Haloview. They're one of the #1 brands in rear view cameras. We're going to go ahead and install it on our trailer, and then we'll give you the lowdown on how we like it and the pros and cons. One of the challenges with the Casita is, since it's fiberglass, I don't really want to drill any holes in the fiberglass shell. So I'm going to figure out a way to do it without making any holes, and you'll see what I came up with as the video progresses. Power wire for the camera. We're going to power it off the license plate light, but it's not long enough, so I'm going to have to extend these wires so they'll reach down to the license plate light. Initially I thought I had to drill out the license plate bracket to get to the wires to power the camera. What I determined though is that with some needle nose pliers you can pull the excess out, probably about 1 inch of the black wire. I was able to use one of these Scotch locks to clip the power wire onto the power wire for the license plate light. And the other wire, the ground wire, I just put a screw in it right here. During this installation, there were several ways we could install the camera on the trailer. What I was trying to do is avoid putting any holes in the fiberglass shell, which means I'd have to find some other kind of way to run the power wire inside the trailer. I thought about running it across the roof and down through the solar cap that I put on for the solar panels, but then I didn't really want to run that in the same cavity as the solar charge wires. I'd also thought about running it through the air conditioner seal on the roof, but then I'd have to loosen the air conditioner up, and then I'd probably have to lift up the carpet to get it to hide the wire. So ultimately I ended up just putting it down the back of the trailer down to the license plate light, and that way we don't have to drill any holes. It's not a perfect solution, but it avoids putting any holes in the trailer. And we're going to just cover up the wire with some white Eternabond tape and give it a try and see how that works. What I like about the camera is it's actually it's better than marriage counseling, because then I can see what's going on and have in my mind's eye what's happening behind the trailer while I'm backing up. So yeah, the things I do like, it's a color picture, it's got a very large screen.
So one of the things I really like about it is I like that display. It's really a beautiful colored large display, and the other thing that I like about it is it has sound. So I wasn't really expecting it to have sound, so I'm pretty excited about that. I think it's going to make our communication a lot better, at least in regards to the trailer.
Yes. And the price tag is cheap compared to marriage counseling. Well, we do like the way I set it up without a permanent mount in the tow vehicle. We can actually just set it on the dash and plug it in the lighter in a different vehicle if we should decide to tow with a different vehicle, or somebody else is going to tow it for us.
Now that beanbag mount was a separate accessory, but to me it's really worth it to not have that big display on the dashboard all the time. There's also a separate mount that you can get that you can mount it to your rear view mirror, but again, that takes up a lot of space and you have to take it on and off, and the bean bag is really easy to remove it off the dash. Since you're not going at high speeds, it's really secure on the dash with that bean bag mount.
But if you were going at high speeds, you'd be able to see the law enforcement vehicle behind you when the lights came on, so they wouldn't have to pull up next to you to let you know they're pulling you over. You could see when they're directly behind you. You could potentially use it as a security camera inside the trailer if you had some alternate power source for the camera itself. You could put the monitor inside, plug it into the lighter, and you could see behind the trailer. You just have to run a power source besides the license plate light to run it. The installation didn't take any time at all since it's wireless. That's nice. Didn't have to run any wires between the tow vehicle and the trailer.
Yeah, that's awesome. One of the things that we were concerned about is that the air conditioning unit would be blocking the antenna in the location that we placed it, but it works great. If you'd like to purchase your own Haloview camera, click the link below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. Want to see a tour of our Casita trailer? Check out this video. If you'd like to see how we installed our adjustable lagoon table, check out this video.